Okay, so this was not the video I was planning this week, but guys, we got a mail call. Let's check it out. Hey there, welcome back to another Playmo AF mail call video. We got this eBay package today, and this is going to include something that goes, or that is going to go on a special episode that we are in the middle of producing right now. Because I got something recently and it didn't come with the right clickies. And yes, there are more than one, but we only got one for this particular set. So I am kind of, I might spoil it, but that's okay. And that's my dog in the background. She decided to lay down on my stuff. Okay, that's great. So yeah, let's see, let's make sure there's no addresses. Okay, good. Yeah, no addresses. And of course I don't have the proper tools to so I got a screwdriver. Good enough. Yes. Alright, let's take it out. Cool, well you can see one clicky right now. This is one that I've wanted for quite some time. Oh, I like the little gift bag that I got it in. That's pretty cool. So let's go ahead and unbag this, and we're going to go ahead and look at every item. There's only 5 items in here, so this is going to be kind of a short video. But that's okay, because I'm giving you guys something to watch this week, but I'm gonna have more in the coming weeks. And it's been really busy at my job. So, alright, so this first clicky is from Playmobil set number 6848. This is from the Playmobil Grand Princess Castle. And the only thing that is wrong about him is his color hair. And the style hair, actually. He's not supposed to have this hair at all. It's supposed to look more like... Whoops. Not quite, it's this color. But it's not that style either. I don't have currently one to use as an example. And he also wears a crown. This one is a little too shiny to match everything about his uniform, but this is more or less accurate. He is missing some gold cuffs. And I mainly got this because I wanted to make a Sgt. Pepper era Ringo Starr clicky. Of course I'm gonna have to change the pants, and I don't know if I have any purple pants available. I do have quite a few parts to look at and determine that, but I always wanted to do like a Sgt. Pepper era setup of Beatles figures, and so I thought this would be a good start for Ringo, since he does wear kind of like a purplish hue uniform. So yeah, that's why I got this one, and I don't know, I kind of like it as is. I might just leave it as is, who knows. But anyway, that's the first clicky out of this package. So next on the list, just to keep you guys in suspense for a little bit, and for me as well, since I'll be watching these again. I got this. I already have this piece. I didn't have the seat, and no matter how long it's taken me to get this, every time I look for the seat all by itself, it's never available on eBay. So I'm going to make sure that this one is in better shape than the other horse-drawn carriage that I have. I want to make sure that there's no broken pieces here on the hook or this little step here, and of course if this one is in better shape, I'm going to use this one as opposed to the one I currently have. Although the one I currently have does have the wheels and it has the side pieces, although one of my side pieces that's supposed to be just wooden boards, one of it is broken, one of the tabs is broken. Yeah, I just mainly got this for the seat. So here's our next clicky. This one is the figure that's missing from the set I just bought over the weekend, last weekend, and it didn't come with it. He's one of the 2 clickies that are included in the set. I'm not actually going to tell you the set because I'm going to wait for that video to come out. But I am super stoked to have found this for not even $3, and I had to pick him up to get me one step closer to completing this set. It is missing some vital parts, including our other clicky. Some of you, maybe you might recognize this one, I don't know, but we'll see in about a week's time. I'm hoping to get it completed for next week's video, maybe the week after, who knows. But yeah, hope you guys, if you do know who it is, let me know. Comment below. Clicky number 3 comes from one of my all-time favorite sets that I do not own. This is from set number 3802. It's Playmobil's McLaren's Gold Mine, which is a really great Western set, and includes this Confederate soldier figure. He is not supposed to have this black hair, so I am going to change it out. This black hair is in pretty bad shape, so I'm happy to get rid of it. Maybe use it for an older figure. So he does have the brown jagged hair to match his jagged vest, and then he has the gray hat here. So that is him. Let me move him back a little bit there. Yeah, that is him completed. Alright, and this guy is our final clicky out of this package. This zombie figure is from set number 9388. That is the Playmobil Ghostbusters Race Stance with Sky Bike. And evidently comes with this zombie here. And again, this zombie does not come with this hairstyle or color. He comes with a longer wig, and it's supposed to be neon green, and we've got nothing like that, so we can just pretty much keep it as is. I might have a regular hairpiece where, you know, it doesn't require a hat to close it off or anything. So this is a really unique figure. I forgot this one even existed, honestly, and I just happened to be looking at Playmobil for that one figure in particular I was looking for, and I thought I'd just save on shipping and order a few more, and this one showed up, and I was like, hey, I think I'm gonna add this one to my collection. But this one's very unique because it does have that eye that is protruding from his hello dog, protruding from his head. Here he is close up. Let's take a look at this eye. As you can see, there's a little peg pretty much shoved into his eye socket. The rest of his face is not a separate piece. It is painted on, printed on, and yeah, it just gives this figure a little bit more uniqueness, and I am all about the very interesting and different styles that Playmobil has created for their various clickies. In fact, here is the top of his head where you can see that peg with the eyeball. So if you wanted to, maybe you could probably pinch that a little bit and squeeze it out, pop it out. But I have no intention of doing that. I might touch up the eye a little bit. It is a little bit faded right there. But overall, really cool figure. I do like the overall paint scheme, and the fact that he has blue skin is pretty nifty. Definitely not something that you see in many, if any, Playmobil. There is a blue alien, but aside from him and this zombie figure, I think that's it. Alright, and aside from this little seat here, we just wanted to show you our clickies that we got from this mail call. If you guys have these clickies, or even the sets that they come with, let me know. Leave a comment. Do you like them? Are they your favorites? So anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give us a thumbs up, and remember to subscribe for more Playmobil content. You can also follow us on Instagram. Check us out at playmo.af. We got more on the way, guys, so stay tuned, and until then, have a great day. Thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.